This is definitely the best affiliate program for 2025. Make $500 per sale with Russell Brunson's new launch. Now, before we get started here, click the link in the video description to see how this program can pay you real commissions and lock in your bonuses. There's also going to be 20 free AI marketing tools directly below in the video description box, so do not miss out. For one, I'm going to go through a list of all the benefits of this for you and why you should join this. It's completely free to join. You don't need to pull out your credit card or worry about some hidden subscription fee eating into your profits. You can get started without spending a dime. Each sale you make pays $500 during the launch. That's not $20 here, $50 there. That's one solid payday every time someone comes through your link. Now, there is an optional upgrade you can take. That's completely on you, but there's an optional upgrade that you can take that is offered in this launch. I suggest you take it, but you don't have to, so that's on you. You still get that $500 per sale, though, for the launch period. On top of the upfront money, you also get a percentage of everything your referrals sell for life. Imagine doing the work once, and then every time they make a sale, months or years later, you're still getting paid. Commissions are split automatically and in real time. No more waiting around, sending emails, or chasing down payments. As soon as the money moves, your share is delivered instantly. For some of you longtime marketers watching this, if you're familiar with, or if you're not a longtime marketer and you're watching this, if you're familiar with JVZoo, it's basically how they used to do it back in the day until PayPal cracked down on it. But you don't have to worry about that with the way they got this set up. So you're going to be getting instant commissions in real time. So it just keeps getting better and better with this. It works with whatever funnel builder you're already comfortable with. You don't need to throw away what you've built. Just connect it, and it plays nice with your current setup. You also get access to built-in funnel templates, which means you can plug in offers quickly and start driving traffic without months of setup. Instead of keeping all the transaction fees for themselves, the owners of this product, who the big name you'll recognize is Russell Brunson. And you're going to see, when you click on that link below, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. It's a 20-minute video you're going to watch. It's going to explain everything in detail. Trust me, you're going to want to get in on this. And if you're watching this within the next week, it's pre-launch right now, you're going to want to get in early because this is going to take off. This program shares a big portion back with you. That means you're not only making commissions, you're earning from the activity that runs through the system. So if say you recommend somebody that signs up, he's a heavy hitter affiliate, he puts a product on this platform, and he sells $1 million. You're getting like 2% of everything that was generated from that particular super affiliate. Now I know that's a long shot, but if you happen to do that, somebody that's generating a lot of sales, you're going to get a portion of that, as well as the affiliates that you bring in as well. So it's really a really good setup here for affiliates to make money. It's designed for long-term income, not just one-time sales. That residual piece is what changes the game. You do the work once, and it continues to pay you as the network grows. It also encourages collaboration. You can mix and match offers, bundle them together, and create funnels that include multiple products. This makes your promotion stronger and helps you convert more people. And finally, this program is coming from Russell Brunson. He's the founder of ClickFunnels. Perhaps you've heard of it. It's a billion-dollar company. He's already built one of the biggest names in online marketing. And this is his newest launch. That credibility matters. You're not dealing with a random startup here. You're dealing with a well-known household name marketer. And when he puts his name behind something, you can guarantee it's going to take off. So if you want to check this out and get started for yourself, click that link in the description directly below to learn more about this opportunity and secure your spot while the launch bonuses last. And you can grab those 20 free AI marketing tools directly below as well. So I hope to see you there. If you have any questions, shoot me a comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for all future video updates. So get on over there, get started with this. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss out on this one. If you missed ClickFunnels coming out 10 years ago, you always wish you would have got in on it in the ground floor. This is your second chance, so take advantage of it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.